Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making red onion pickle, the dip restaurants and takeaways normally serve with poppadoms. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like the video. Thanks. To begin, you'll need to finely chop a medium-sized white or brown onion. Then, in a separate container, add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, and quarter of a teaspoon of red food colouring. Mix well using a spoon or your fingers. Gloves recommended unless you want bright red hands. Now add in the chopped onion and mix through well. Allow to marinate for a few hours, ideally overnight, as the taste changes. Then stir to ensure all the sugars have dissolved and enjoy. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.